What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we have a little bit of a change in scenery for you guys. For those of you who are following me on my Instagram and you guys saw my post from a few days ago on my story, you guys probably already know what it is we're talking about. However, it was a little bit of a clickbait, I'm sorry, but nonetheless, we're gonna be holding on to this bad boy for a bit, completely transforming it. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and introduce the new G35. So this is actually my buddy's 2005 6-speed G35. And we are going to be transforming this thing for him. So I wanna get a real good little walk around of his car because this thing, guys, is gonna look quite a bit different when I'm done with it. And I'm gonna try to have the turnaround done very quickly, as quick as I possibly can, while doing the best work that I can. So, quick little walk around. And I'm gonna go ahead and put his Instagram actually right here on the screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and give him a follow, because not only does he have this clean G35 that's really gonna transform, but he does some clean work. Now my hair's a bit messy right now, but he does some really clean haircuts. I'm actually gonna end up putting a quick time lapse up real quick in this video as well of me getting this fresh cut and beard trim. But go ahead and follow him, guys, and if you guys are local, make sure to go get your haircut done by him. All right, guys, so I don't know what video this is gonna be going in, but we're about to take care of this hair right here. The homie's about to clean it up.
It's about to happen.
You wanna go ahead and shout out your Instagram and all that?
Barber T, I'm the Barber T Experience. Proper cuts all day. That's what we about to get it going right now. Proper cuts, let's go.
Definitely go to him, guys. Just watch this transformation. It's unreal. So I'm gonna set you guys up and hope you enjoy.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over.
Hit you with the hallelujah hot sauce right now. Gonna hit you with the hot sauce right now, my friend.
Stuff burns, guys.
Gotta save you first. It's nice right now. You know what I mean? Hit the light spots first, and then you progress to the forehead where it's like, and the eyebrows, gonna knock them out real quick. And then of course, gotta hit them in here a little bit more. And I'm sorry, my friend, but I gotta do it. Woo! This is it. Let's go. You next. Yes, sir.
Thanks, bro.
Let's do it.
As always.
Crispy. Crispy. Somebody call 911.
Guys, so pretty much what is it we're gonna be doing to this bad boy? So my old vented fenders are actually gonna be going on here, so we're gonna be throwing those on. He actually bought also my old front bumper, but where the real work is at, we have some damage right in here, especially right in this area. If you guys can see, this whole thing is pushed in, so we're gonna be taking care of that. We're gonna be taking care of all of this work right here. We have a pretty good dent there, a good, oh, this is actually a dent here, so this whole thing needs to be pushed out, all sanded, and we're gonna need a lot of body work on that. Coming onto this side over here, we do have a couple dents that don't really show up on camera too much, so that's a good thing. That means it's gonna be pretty easy to take care of. So we have a few dents going along right here. We have a dent right down there. I went ahead and taped that out. You can see right here. And then we have this right here, a small dent, and also it pushes out right there. And then we have a dent here and a small dent right there. So, oh, and of course, there we go again. Make sure to go give him a follow, guys. So this is what we're gonna be working on for the next, however long he said. I can keep it pretty much as long as I want, keep it here a month. If necessary, we definitely will. However, I'm gonna try to get this done as quick as I can. And I am very, very excited. It's gonna be fun just watching this thing transform.
Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect.
All right, guys, so a ton of sanding later. I think we made some really big progress. I actually ended up putting a little bit more filler down on the rear bumper. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and get that sanded down. But all in all, huge progress. I know a little bit more filler is gonna end up going down on the quarter panel, and then we'll get to the guide coat block and then start throwing down the first things of primer hopefully tomorrow, I'm hoping. And then once all of this is done, we'll move to the other side. The other side should be fairly quickly, nothing too major on that side. But let me go ahead and show you what we got. All right, here's how she's looking. So starting on the quarter panel, had all this damage here. We still have to shape and whatnot better, but it's getting there. We still have a little bit of a low spot right there, but all in all, and we still have this damage here, but I'm gonna actually message him, see if he wants me to pull this off, because I need to undo this thing and then fix that. But yeah, so this is looking really good. All right, so like I said, we are gonna need more filler, but check it out. It's really taking shape. And then the rear bumper. This was quite difficult, to be honest. This was a lot of heating up, pushing, heating up, pulling, and over and over and over again. And then as you guys saw, I used the DA with a sanding disc and just ground everything down. And it feels really, really good now. I mean, you can't really tell with all the body filler, but I mean, you could definitely see a difference though. So no, we did not just sand it and throw a bunch of filler to reshape it. We actually reshaped it. Same thing with the quarter panel, to the best that I can with what I have, and then a little bit of filler. And as you can see, there's really not much filler at all. I mean, it's the tiniest amount, but it's looking really good. I am very happy. All right, guys, so that's gonna have to do it for part one. Stay tuned for part two. Part two, we're gonna end up just pretty much sanding down what I just put down right there, and then guide coat everything, see what needs more filler, what doesn't, and then hopefully get the beginning stages of body filler. And I say beginning stages because once we put, or not, sorry, not body filler, primer, beginning stages of primer, because once we get the first beginning stages of primer on, I can see really where my low spots, my high spots, everything is, and then we can just block again. And then if it needs a tiny skim coat, we can go ahead and just do that. But all in all, it's looking really good. The main damage is fixed. And then what I'm actually gonna do for him as well is that if you guys saw earlier in the video, the bumper had that crack. I went ahead and plastic welded that, but the tail light itself had a chip in it as well. So I have my tail lights up there. I'm gonna go ahead and give that to him. I'm gonna keep the cracked one so I can at least maybe sell those, and then I'm gonna give him my brand new one. That way, you know, once everything's fixed, he's golden, everything is gonna look really good. It's the least I can do for you, man. You've been hooking me up with the haircuts, these fresh cuts, so I appreciate you. So huge progress. Day went by super fast. I came out here around I think a little bit before 12, and it is, what time is it now? 4:30. Time just flew by. I'm hot, I'm tired. So we are done for today, boys. Make sure to subscribe. That's how tired I am. Make sure to subscribe if you guys aren't already. Hit that thumbs up if you guys found this video enjoyable, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So I don't know how many parts of this series there's gonna be, but we're definitely gonna transform it once all the body working is done. Like I said, fenders, front bumper, all that good stuff, side skirts, and then once this is done, we'll move on to that bad boy out there, that bad girl, I should say. Anyways, guys, I hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.